And the tip is something that I learned from my poverty, my time when it was very difficult for me to sustain. I was living in a 10 by 12 room with no amenities, and it was something that I was surviving only on a parle-G. So here is something that I understood. If today you are making 1 lakh, check your expenses. I want you to stay back with the same kind of an expenses. The remaining amount of money that is surplus. Let's say for you to run a house, you need around, let's say 1 lakh rupees. And if you are making like 2 lakh rupees or something beyond that, keep that entire money and make it as a kind of an investment that will come back to you from the next month. So make sure that you are giving the salary back to you and don't leave your job right now. So when you are supposed to leave your job, only when you have got enough money. What is enough money, Dada? Now here is the formula. Your total monthly expenses multiplied by 15 plus 18% plus 10% is the number that you need in your bank account. But don't change your job right now. But what you can do is, you can learn from these videos, connect with me. My name is Dr. Amit. For such amazing tips, subscribe, like, share, and I will see you on the next video.